what, I have my doubt about this new S&P technique, but we knocked it out of the park. Check this out.
You son of a bitch. You did it. I'm gorgeous. I'm here today to be the new me. You know, it's. I heard someone say once, sometimes you gotta start from the outside and work your way in. So I'm here to get my life back, get my confidence back.
All right, my brother. So today we are here for a second session. Right, we're still gonna keep it the same, right? Nice natural hairline.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, right, if you come in a little closer, he's got some alopecia that's going on. Combination with some male pattern baldness. More so the alopecia back here coming into the nape area. Come check this out. Right, so we did a first session. If you kind of zoom in some, you can see very subtle. My first sessions are always very subtle because I wanna make sure, well, not make sure, I want to see how the scalp metabolizes the pigment, and then that lets me know how much more density I can apply for the second session, which is what we have here. So we're gonna get them cleaned up, bring it down, then we're gonna go over to the next room, gonna get going on that second session as I was.
I've been experiencing hair loss for quite a few years now. Made me feel certainly less confident looking at myself in the mirror with the various bald spots I have. And it just took its toll on me, emotionally, had to look like that.
There we go. Clean that off. Nice clean canvas. Tell you what, I have my doubt about this new S&P technique, but we knocked it out of the park. Check this out.
You son of a bitch. You did it. I'm gorgeous. This is amazing.
Kept the same hairline, natural hairline, went along with the little hairs that you had kind of like spread out. Kept that same hairline, slight widow's peaks.
This is amazing. You know what? I saw a difference in the first session, and I see such a, even between the first and the second, it's just amazing. Wow, thank you. I love it. It looks natural. It's been years since I've seen my...
You look like a stud muffin, brother.
I love it.
You are ready for Tinder, but I don't think Tinder's ready for you.
Looks amazing. It really just looks amazing. I feel great. I look younger. I feel younger already. My confidence is back like that. It really, great job. Do it. Absolutely do it. No, it's such a transformation. It mentally, physically, it is just such a wonderful, quick, painless process. And my hair was thinning. I did this for me, and that's ultimately what it's about. It's doing it for you, and just sometimes it's the outside, changing the outside into the inside, and just It makes me feel great. It really does. Thank you. You look at your reviews. You look at I listen your podcasts. Just every video I've seen of you. Other people have spoken to you, spoken to me about you. And it's just everything I researched about you, and everybody else is a far second. This was a no-brainer to come to you.
I appreciate you, brother. Thank you for trusting me.
Thank you very much.